Alright guys, we're out here with the FIMI A3 and there is an update, isn't there always? Update, yes, here it is. Update 1.025. That's the flight controller update. There was an update for the transmitter and the camera also, and those were updates 1.020 and 1.015. But the flight controller update is 1.025. So I'm going to try to start. Now it's sunny out now, so I'm not going to probably be hardly to see this screen is going to be extremely difficult. Okay, I'm just taking it up for a few minutes just to make sure nothing's broke. I can't even see this screen because it's flashing some red. Let me go back here in the shade here, see if I see anything. No, it's not saying anything. Yeah, this screen is just, I have to figure out something with this thing, man. I'm telling you, I got it in the, I don't even have it in the GPS lock. Got bugs all over the place. Okay, I just turned the GPS on and then you see it just set still like that. Before it was just in the ADI mode, but that's what's cool about this thing is it does that. I'm recording some video to put in, not much because I'm not staying long because it's hot and sunny and crappy and windy. The wind has died down here for a few minutes, but now it's saying my battery is low. I don't know, I thought I charged the battery. I was under the impression that I did do that, but maybe I didn't. Well, I'm very disappointed about that because I came all the way over here and it looks like the battery is not charged. I don't know how in the hell I forgot to do that. Oh well. I wonder if there's some kind of gauge on here on these settings that tells you what your battery percentage is. Let me look. Nope, I don't see nothing. It says I have 17 satellites, so that's a plus. I'm just waiting for it to kick into a return to home or do something like that. Because it's showing on here, right here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, you're going to be able to see it. But it's showing a very low battery. Now the controller battery, it's showing that it's full. But the flight battery, it's showing on the gauge there that it's like 1/3. But it also has over here, it's 11.6 volts. So I don't know what the correlation is from that to that. So. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to get some goggles to get any really good use out of this thing. Because the screen is crap. It's garbage. I mean, you could fly at line of sight. Yeah, that's no issue. But if you want to take it out anywhere, you're going to have to... You're going to have some kind of goggles or something. Because you can't rely on the screen, because, you know, even when you're flying line of sight, if you're out there pretty far, sometimes you lose sight of that thing for that instant. You look down at that screen, it picks you up. You can pick up where you're at, you know. Because I've done that a few times over at that old factories over there. When I was flying and I was making that turn to the river, you could lose it. So you look down at the screen and then you can figure out exactly where you were at, and then you see it, because you can usually always hear it if it's, you know, like within 1,300 feet or something like that, like I was with the Zino the other day. So, oh, this thing's stable as all hell, man. I'm telling you, this is a nice quadcopter here. But I'm just kind of bogged out because of this battery, because I could have swore I charged this damn thing. But now it's sitting in the same spot, actually. It hasn't moved any. But I don't know. I'm just going to land it because I'm just not sure. Well, you know, it has the update. At least it's not broke, right? So it flew and it's not broken, so that's a plus. Let me stop the video. All right. Kind of bummed out about that. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.